What is up, Trust Troop? But it's Trust to Impress, and I am BACK back with another video. Today's video is going to be a nail tutorial. Actually, y'all, it's more of a nail transformation. My feet were looking like caveman feet, and I am about to transform them into these beautiful feet that you see before you. This is what my feet look like before, y'all. So if you are interested in seeing this total transformation of my feet, then stay tuned. All right, y'all, I am not expert enough to be teaching anyone how to do feet. However, I am doing a nice little DIY spa day at the house, you know, a little girls' day in. So I decided I would take you guys along for this foot transformation video. So I'm basically going to tell you all the steps that I did for this pedicure. I haven't done my own pedicure in forever. And if you like the video, then maybe you could try it out for yourselves. It was a great experience just to not have the tension of worrying about wearing a mask or possibly being exposed to anything, and just being in the comfort of my own home, even though I had to do the pedicure myself. So I started out by cleaning out everything underneath my toenails. Of course, I soaked my feet. Then cleaned out everything underneath my toenails, and I'm moving my cuticles back and rubbing away the dead cuticles. By the way, this is just a wooden kitchen skewer, so no fancy equipment here. I'm just kind of using my fingernails as a tool and then using that wooden kitchen skewer to remove all of the excess skin and dead skin. I know that sounds disgusting, but this is what the nail techs have to do when you go get your nails done professionally. It is what it is. Now I'm using this nail tool that I got from the drugstore. I'm not sure what it's called, but you use it to clip the extra cuticle away. So I normally get a thick cuticle on each side of my toenail, the left side and the right side. So I like to regularly cut it away even when I'm not doing a pedicure. So I am just trimming that excess cuticle away with this tool. And you are going to see later in the video that I'm going to go all the way around the perimeter of each one of my nails with this tool. I think that trimming my cuticles would have been neater and a lot more easy if I actually started this process closer to the time that I soaked my feet. So when everything is still wet and saturated and soft, I think that the process is a little bit easier. But right now, all I'm doing is trimming my nails to make them have more of a square look. I feel like that salon look is always marked by super square toenails. So, of course, that's the look that I'm going for. And all of my toenails don't grow out straight or super square, so I'm making them that way. After I cut all of my nails as square as I could get them, it's time to buff the top of each nail just to remove any oils, and then file the ends of each nail so that they're all smooth. I do not know what is going on today, but I was not filming the entire time that I showed you guys what base coat I'm using and the time that I was actually applying the base coat on my first foot. But this is just the Sally Hansen Professional Salon UV Pro Gel Polish. It's a long title, but it's something like that. I'll make sure that it's linked below in the description box so that you guys can purchase from Amazon if you would like to try the product. I have shared this product with you guys before. So this is the same product that I use for my press-on nails and when I did the UV gel polish on my fingernails. Now that my base coat is complete, and you only have to cure each coat for 30 seconds in the UV dryer, but I do 60 seconds per coat. So now I'm going to apply a fresh coat of white nail polish. With this UV gel polish, you want to make sure that you do thin, even layers. So I'm using a very thin layer of polish because I want it to cure very well so that it can last long. So just ignore the fact that it doesn't look very even right now. I promise it is even, but because it's white, it's going to take more than one coat for it to look thick, if that makes sense, for it to not be transparent. I think that's a better way to put it, for it to not look transparent. So we will come back with another coat of white, and I'm going to cure this coat for 60 seconds once again like I did the previous coat. Also with the UV gel polish, you want to do your best to not get any polish on your skin because that is going to help water and oils and lotion, all of those things to get under your gel polish, and it's going to make your gel polish peel more quickly. Now that I am working on the second coat of polish, you guys are going to be able to see how much better the white looks. I've never been a white toenail polish type of girl, but I noticed that white is the trend amongst all the ladies, you know, these days. The Insta baddies, the YouTube baddies, everybody has white toenails. So I try to kind of go more for a trendy moment than what I really like, but I will make more videos like this so you guys can get to see me use some of my fall colors that I really like on my toenails versus this white. But I think in the end, the white really came out great, and I have been loving it. I have been walking around the house staring at my own toenails. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to come back in just a few moments with the top coat. You can see that I'm using this wooden skewer to clear away any white polish that is on my skin as best I can every chance I get. Let me let you guys in on a little secret. The reason why I'm doing that is because after you cure the polish, it is stuck however you have it. And you would literally have to cut away any gel polish that is on your cuticle or on your skin. So I like to go ahead and wipe off as much of excess polish as I can before I cure the polish. Right now, it's wet, it's pliable, it's very easy to remove versus later. And y'all, do not crack on how small my toenails are. They are so tiny. I barely have a toenail. It's like if I put a dot, if I barely touch my nail with the brush, my full nail is painted. It's crazy, y'all. I have the tiniest fingernails and toenails. So no jokes down in the comments. Please and thank you. My favorite part is the top coat because number one, you know that you're almost done with the process. And number two, it is the star of the show. It really makes everything pop and everything to come together. And the quality of the video is not really doing it justice. But this top coat was shining, y'all. It was so shiny and beautiful. Popping. Like straight up popping. Okay? You feel me? So I'm going to continue with the top coat. This is the Sally Hansen Pro UV Gel Polish set once again. And it's just everything. And this is a wipe polish. Like you have to wipe a residue off of it once you finish curing. So next step, of course, I am going to grab my alcohol and wipe that sticky residue off of the top of the polish. You do not have to be afraid to do this. It feels almost like the polish is sticky, like it's not dry, but rest assured that after you use the UV light, that the polish is cured. You just wipe away the residue with alcohol and it does not damage, you know, the polish or anything that you have done. It does not make it peel more quickly or anything. They do the same thing at the nail salon. Then I'm using my Mielle Organics almond oil, mint almond oil. It smells amazing. It feels amazing. My husband loves when I use this oil on my skin and on my hair. And I love the way that it's the perfect cuticle oil. It's really made for your hair and your scalp. But hey, scalp is skin. So I use it on my hands and my feet when I do these nail videos, and it has not disappointed me yet. So look at how amazing this milk white toe has come out, but it's giving me very much summer vibes. I know some people do the white toes year round just because it's a nice, fresh, clean look. But I cannot wait to come back with some fall colors. But I'm super pleased with how it came out. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and tuning in. And I'm going to finish enjoying my girls' day. So deuces. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.